One of the best ways to get people to click on your video is by having a very good thumbnail. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a thumbnail using CapCut. I'm going to be showing you how I created a thumbnail for this video. The first thing you want to do is search for a background. After searching for a background, you save whatever background that you like and then search for CapCut logo and also save that. Go back into your CapCut and then select the photo that you want to use as your background. Before you go ahead to start editing, make sure that the ratio of your photo is 16:9. Click on your background, select effect and then choose video effect. Type in blur, choose any blur of your choice, increase or reduce it to your taste. Zoom in your picture to the way that you like it to display on your thumbnail. Proceed to clicking on overlay, add overlay and choose the pictures that you would like to work with. Click on the image and then select remove background. Click on auto remove background. Zoom your picture in and then place it in the place that you like it to be in. Click on your overlay again and add any other picture that you want on your thumbnail. Place this where you like it to be. The next step is to add your text. I'm going to be adding my text separately because I want both texts to have different colors. I'm going to type in my text and then use the small box sign that looks like a square underneath the text to increase or reduce the size of it. To make your text look more attractive, click on Style and then choose Font. Go ahead and pick a new font that is more attractive and visible. I'll be using Elegant. Continue by adding your last text and then bringing it down below the first one. Then the next thing that you want to do is also change the font. Now go ahead and click on the first text, click on Style again and then pick whatever style you want it to appear as and then click on the other text and then change the color to whatever you want it to look like. If you click on export, it's going to tell you to switch to premium because using the background remover is a premium service. All you have to do is take a screenshot of this and then crop it to the right size that you need and voila, you have your YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to head over to my photos to show you how this thumbnail looks like. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this method and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.